a gift from my subscribers. So thank you so much for this one. And let's gonna open this one, and I will put this one in the room. So I'm gonna show you what's in, how it looks like before I put it inside. Oh my gosh. Wow. There is a 3 kilos, and the price for this is 9,000. I'm not sure, but it's 9,500. No, 9,985. Then discounted 300 pesos, so about 10,600 for this gaming chair. And the good thing for this one, it's leather. Leather. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, thank you so much, and God bless you more. God bless you more. He also supports my, he also buys some shoes for me, but I'm gonna unbox it later on. So, if you want to help him out, then you can also check my PayPal account, and if you want to send some amount for buying some shoes, and also if you want to send shoes, then just go to my Facebook page and you can just send me a message there. Oh my god. I found another two almost similar with this, but it's fabric. This one is leather. So he always choose quality stuff. So this is how it looks like, because in the mall I cannot open this one. It's not allowed to open. I'm just dreaming about it before. Now finally, I own it. Oh my gosh! It's also adjustable, and I have some pictures for this. But I'm gonna upload short videos for this naman. Para sa viewers ng bata. Anang ba din, bag na po. Hindi sa akong i-upload din. Unya na po itong uban. So, this is all. But then, you can adjust here down. And also for chair, here, you can pull the chair down. And here for this chair. So, we're gonna lay down. I'm so ignorant with this. Ano siya na yun? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's how it is. So, okay. Let's take a picture. Now, Elizabeth is tanaw. Ang iro ba? Oh my gosh. Ay, Vic, yung ka ba, Vic? Ay, Vic. Yung ka to, Vic. Abig sa akong vlog. Hi everyone, I got busy. It's good drive. So thank you all for watching, and I hope hope you enjoy this short video of unboxing, and this is my friend who always wanted my daughter. And oh my god, I cannot reach the floor. I need to adjust this down. But so far, this is it, and this is the leader, and oh my gosh, thank you everyone for supporting my channel, and hope you continue supporting my channel. And of course, if you haven't joined to my membership yet, you can join level 3 for longer videos, level 2 for short videos. Then also, I will upload the briefing engine to the level 2. But this is it, and thank you all for watching. See you next vlog. We're gonna unbox more from the shopping in SM because I bought some shoes there, and I will just upload it separately. And for now, this is what I do in SM. So I bought this chair. I love you all, and see you next vlog. Bye! So pictures ako big ha.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.